Hey guys, it's Miss McComas. I wanted to show you guys a really cool feature that you can find in Microsoft Teams. It will help you out if you need a little bit of help with reading, if you are dyslexic, or if you are having a little bit of eye strain from staring at the screen all day, or if you need things translated. So you can use this immersive reader in the class notebook or in some other places. I'll show you first in class notebook and then I'll show you how to find it in other places as well. So let's say that I'm a student. I'll be Aldrin today. Thanks, Aldrin. Let's say that I have some classwork to do. I'm working on this week's classwork maybe. If I click on View and then on Immersive Reader, it will open up whatever document I had open in a new window, and it gives me some really cool options. First, you might notice that there's some stuff here that doesn't make sense. That's because anything that's on an image, this was on a really dark background, and it's easy for your eyes to read, but not easy for the computer to read. But everything else that was typed in will be in there perfectly and make sense. You also notice that the background changed. So some things that this immersive reader will allow you to do is change your text size, change your spacing. Maybe it's easier for you to read it that way. Change your font. If you guys hear some weird noises, that's my dog. He's very unhappy that I'm not paying attention to him right now. So maybe you read better with a dark background, or green, or blue, or yellow. All these other color options are available to you as well. So if you've been doing your classwork and your eyes are starting to hurt, they're starting to get twitchy, they feel strained, you have a headache maybe, you can try some of these other colors and see if one of them feels more comfortable to you. If you click over to grammar options, actually let me go back to Ivory, it's my favorite. I don't know if your ELA teachers want you to know this, but you can have this divide the syllables for you, or you can have it highlight all the nouns, all the verbs, all the adjectives, adverbs. Maybe I want the adjectives to be purple. I can just do one of these. I can do 2 or 3 of them, or I can do all of them. Be great if you're just learning English, you would know, oh, everything in blue must be some kind of thing or person or place. The last section is reading preferences. There's some really cool features in here. So the first one is called line focus. You can focus on just one line, 3 lines, a section. This feature also reads to you, not specifically in line focus, but your immersive reader will read to you. If you use it in conjunction with line focus, the reader will go along, or the line will go along with what's being read to you. So you guys can't hear it, but it's actually reading out loud to me as it's highlighting the text. And the line focus will go along with it. So that's pretty cool. You can also use this to translate. So I can translate to Spanish. It has 3 different types of Spanish. Maybe I want to translate to Tahitian because I feel like learning Tahitian today. I don't know. You do you. But the cool thing is it will read to you in that language. So if I want it to translate to Mexican Spanish, I click Document, and it will translate this entire document into Spanish for me. I'm going to take this line focus off. Maybe. There we go. So if I hit play, again, you guys can't hear it reading, but it is reading to me. It will read it to me in Spanish, which is pretty cool. I can change the speed of the voice. So if I want her to read really quickly, or if she's reading a little too quickly for me, I can go a little slower. If I want to hear a male voice, I can change that as well. It's pretty cool. So that is your immersive reader. I'm going to change it back to English so I don't get confused next time I log into this. So that would be how you access it in Class Notebook. But let's say that I need to do some assignments. Let's say that I haven't done my membeing yet. I want to read what my teacher left me. This is what the students will see. But let's say that I'm having a little bit of trouble reading this. If you see this little icon anywhere in Microsoft Teams, it will open your Immersive Reader. So I can have it read out loud to me. And I can follow along with it that way. And then all of your other options that we saw before are up here as well. Another cool thing is that if you are using the class notebook, you can put your own pages in here. So if you need something translated, you could use that Immersive Reader function to translate it for you. So let's say that I think I've got let's say that I just want to add something here that I want to translate. So I could put whatever I wanted to translate in here. I could upload a file to it. I could type in or copy and paste in something, and then I could use that Immersive Reader to translate it for me. So you could actually use this kind of as a translation service. It will translate PDF for you, and then remember, it will also read it out loud to you. So that's pretty cool. I just wanted you guys to know that this feature was available to all of you. If you have any questions about how to use it, how to access it, or you need help at all, just let me know. Remember, you can always go to the general posts and type down here to post a question. You can also use the @ symbol if you want to tag me to make sure that I see it. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you use it to help you. And I miss you guys, and I hope that we all get to see each other soon, and I hope that everybody stays safe. See you guys later.